Hello Udo users and welcome to our channel. Today we will see the demo on Kuhan and Nagel Udo shipping integration, which is based out of in France. This demo will cover entire company and shipping level configurations. This module is supported in test and production environment. Key features of this integration are creating multi-packs, creation of multi-labels, real-time tracking and cancellation of the shipments directly from the Udo dashboard. So let's have a look at it. As this application is downloaded from the Udo App Store, first of all, we will configure the company settings. So for that, we will go to settings, user and companies and go to companies. In companies, currently we have configured the demo database. We will mention all the general information of our company and go to the configuration tab. Here, as we check this box, you will mention all this information that is provided to you by Kuhan and Nagel shipping provider. Once this information is mentioned, the company configuration gets completed. As this is the demo version, I am not mentioning the information over here. Now we will do the shipping configuration. For that, we will navigate to our sales module, open configuration tab and go to shipping methods. Here we have configured the shipping service. So here we will select the provider from the drop down menu and see the configuration. As companies are multiple in your database, you can select any one of them to which QN Eagle is applicable. Next is the package info. If there are more than one types of packages for the shipping, you can configure them all in the drop down and select any one of them as per the requirement. Next is delivery module. So there is delivery mode which we have configured. Next is service. So there are different types of services which we have configured and you can select any one of them as per the requirement. Next is the label types. So there are two or different types of labels as you can see and we have configured them. We have selected PDF so the labels will be available to us in a PDF format. Now we will see how it will be applicable practically while creating a sales order. So let's create a sales order. Here we will go and add the customer, we will add the product and add some quantities and we will add the shipping. We will select shipping method from the drop down and add it. On adding the same, we will confirm our sales order and navigate to the delivery order. Here now I want to create multiple packs for this quantity. So I will go over here, add 5 quantity in first pack and save it. Go to put in pack, select the package type and save it. So this is the one pack that I have created and for the remaining 5 quantity I will add a line, add some stock and add some other quantity and repeat the same process. So now I have created two packs. You can see packages smart button over here where you can see both the packs that I have created. Now as we go back, we go to additional information. Here you can see the career information at selected already as we have selected the same in the sales order. If you want to change, you can change it in the delivery order as well. Now as we validate this sales delivery order, you can see tracking reference will be populated over here and labels will be generated. So let's validate it. As we have created two multi-packs, we can see two labels will be generated in the PDF format. So as you can see, label is generated in the PDF format. There are two labels. Next is the tracking reference is populated and you can see the tracking smart button as well where you can track the shipments directly. Here you can track the shipments. Now as we go back, we can see cancellation option where you can cancel the shipment directly and you can see the cancellation log will be generated over here. As you can see, it is cancelled now. So this is the basic shipping configuration. Let us know if you face any issues. Our team will be there to help you out. Don't forget to save, subscribe and share this video for the future use. Thank you.